This right here used to be my dream. Not the laptop, not the table, not the plants, but the peace, the freedom, and this little home, my family, while I work with purpose. But not long ago, I was stuck in a cycle I couldn't escape. Hi, ako si Jan, a nurse, a nanay, a wife, at ngayon ay isa na ring digital business owner and mentor. Matagal ako nagtrabaho bilang nurse. Mahal ko ang trabaho ko. Pero, aminin natin, minsan kahit anong sipag mo, sakto lang. Sweldo, bayad, gastos, repeat. Nakakapagod din. And every time uuwi ako galing work, isang tanong ang paulit-ulit sa isip ko. Ganito na lang ba lagi ang buhay ko? May mga pangarap ako, hindi lang para sa sarili ko, pero para sa pamilya ko. I wanted more time, more freedom, more life. Pero, paano? Then one day, habang scroll-scroll lang, may napanood akong video about this digital business. Simple lang, pero tumama sa puso ko. Akala ko noon, hindi ako techie baka hindi ko kaya. Pero may boses sa loob ko na nagsabi, try mo dyan, baka ito na ang sagot sa matagal mo nang pinipray. And that quiet yes changed my life. Ngayon, I work with flexibility and peace of mind sa bahay kasama ang pamilya ko habang working on my business. Mas madalas na kaming nakakauwi sa Pilipinas, nakakapag-travel with my family. At kung sakto lang lagi ang buhay mo ngayon, kung gusto mong ma-feel ulit yung excitement to dream, eto lang po, I was you. And now, I'm walking up, step by step, toward a life I designed, not just accepted. This business changed how I live, love, and lead. And if you're still wondering if this is real, let me show you. Proof, results, support. Message me po, ask the questions, because the first step, it's not just scary, it's sacred. God bless you.